Hello, friends. I'm Srinivasan Gopal, and today we'll be exploring some simple steps to a value driven life. Simplicity necessitates a two step approach. First, we must devote time and energy to discovering what motivates us as humans, what makes our heart sing, and what brings us joy. Then we must go on to build a life that reflects the unique individuals that we are. This is the essence of simplicity. We have three functions on this planet: to learn, to love, and to live. When we stop learning, we begin to stagnate and eventually die. We lose our sense of purpose and become self centered when we stop loving. We deny the world the benefits of our talents when we limit our life, our living. A life portfolio is a compelling alternative to traditional retirement planning. In extended middle age, it's a new way of thinking and living. A typical life portfolio includes a mix of work, continuing education, recreation, travel, and avocations, reconnecting with family and friends, and giving back. For a balanced success that includes health, wealth, and happiness, the foundation stones of honesty, character, faith, integrity, love, and loyalty are required. As you progress through life, you will realize that if you compromise any of these principles, you will end up with only a beggar's share of what life has to offer. Every day as you wake up, think to yourself, today I am fortunate to be alive. I have a precious human life and I am not going to waste it. I intend to devote all of my energies to self development, to opening my heart to others, and attaining enlightenment for the benefit of all beings. I am not going to be angry or think negatively about others. Instead, I am going to think positively about them. I intend to help as many people as possible. Winning means finishing well to the best of your God given abilities rather than finishing first. When you embrace this concept in your life, you'll be free of the stress of competing to be the first one to finish, to win in life. The first step in making a change in your life, getting what you want out of your life, and making your life better is to specifically decide what you want. You'll never arrive unless you know what you want, because you have no final destinations. As a wise man once said, life does not happen to you. Life is responding to your actions. This is completely correct. Either you get to choose what life throws at you, or you set your mind to chart out your life and your success on your own terms. Over the years, mostly in retrospect, I've learned a few things, one of which is that you can't hit a target you can't see. You can't do wonderful things with your life if you don't know what they are. If you're serious about unlocking the extraordinary power that lies within you, you must first become crystal clear about what you want. Everything that makes our lives easier, more productive, more enjoyable, and more pleasurable was created in response to a problem and in response to the efforts of some designer or team of designers somewhere in the world to solve that problem. Be the designer of your life. Write your own story. Thank you for watching.